NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use screenshots as overlays on Sharefactory on the PS4, and we're just going to pause it quickly. In order to achieve this, you do need to have a laptop or PC and a USB memory stick. So if you haven't got those, I'm really sorry, this isn't going to be much use to you, but please do continue watching. There may be something else in the video that is of use, and we've got the shout out of the day coming up as well. So if you haven't already seen some of my recent videos, we've got the first person on Sharefactory video and how to add that, or we've also got the how to publish video to YouTube on mobile. Right, so what I did there was I used previous screenshots and I used them as overlays so I could explain something to you. In this example, it was explaining that there's other videos that you may find of use. So this is a really handy thing to have a go at. So if you're familiar with Sharefactory, you'll know that if you're in a video and you try to add a screenshot, then it just puts it to the end of the clip that you was on. So there isn't currently a way of adding a screenshot within a video clip. So that is the problem I wanted to solve, and I've achieved that for you. So hopefully this video will be of use. If we try adding another screenshot here, we can try and trim it and move it, but it's just going to move it around the clip rather than within it. Okay, so that is the aim of the video, is to show you how to use a screenshot as an overlay within your YouTube videos. So hopefully this is going to help. Okay, so why would you want to have the option of using a screenshot as an overlay? Well, you might have a picture that you've downloaded from the internet that you want to show, or you might have some instruction of some kind that you want people to know that you don't want to interrupt the video completely for, or you might want both or a combination of the two. You might want to promote a video that you want people to watch, or it might link to the video you're doing and you can just mention it and say, if you haven't seen this bit, then perhaps you might want to see this one. You might want to explain that in this one we need a USB, so you can put that as a visual display on there as well. So lots of different options, and that's just off the top of my head. I'm sure there's other things you can do. Okay, so let's show you how to do this using the clip as an example. We're going to push the share button once on the controller and then push the triangle to save screenshot. Once you've done that, you can leave the Sharefactory and go into Capture Gallery. Once you're in Capture Gallery, push on Sharefactory and then Screenshots, and there's your image right there. So we need the USB stick plugged into the PS4 now, and then you can just select the image and then you can press options and go to copy to USB storage device and then confirm copy, and it will be saved to the PS4 share screenshots folders. Once you're in your laptop, you can plug in your USB into your laptop or your PC, and then you need to find that folder that we've just read out. So PS4, Sharefactory and screenshots, and there's our image sat there. At this stage we need to resize the image, and each PC or laptop may be different for this, but for me I can right click on the image and go to open with and then click on paint, and within paint it gives me the option of resizing at the top, and then when I click on resize right here, then I can go down and I can change the options to pixels and change the horizontal to 1280 and the vertical to 720. Okay, Sharefactory does give you these details here, and I've put that here so you can pause it here and have a little look, but it says JPEG and PNG are supported images, and you can have the resolutions of 64 by 64 or 1280 by 720. Okay, once we've done that, then we can save the image, and then we need to move the image from the PS4 folder to a new folder which is also on the USB stick, and that needs to be a folder called Sharefactory, and within Sharefactory there needs to be a folder called Images. Then just move the image to the Images folder. Okay, so this video was suggested by MrChocolateMilk, who asked me how to use screenshots as overlays on Sharefactory, so I'm hoping this has helped. So thanks for your support and your suggestion. Anyone watching, please do check out MrChocolateMilk's channel and consider subscribing if you like what he does. Okay, so we've taken the USB back from the laptop and put it into the Sharefactory, into the PS4. We've gone into Sharefactory and import content, and then import images. And then we want to import from USB, and then we just scroll down to find the image that we want, and there it is there. So we push cross and then square to select and import it. Once we've imported it, then it's just going to save it for us, and we can just go into our project, and there we can just go into our last project that we're just using where we took the screenshot anyway, and then we then have the option of pushing the cross button to add an overlay. And then once we've done that, we can go to add overlay, and then you would normally come up to stickers or something like that where all our stickers are, but you can come down to imported images, and then there is our image sat there, and we can start using it as a sticker. So we've done it. Okay, so now we can treat this as a sticker. We can change the shape of it, or sorry, the size of it. We can move it around, we can change the duration, we can play about with the animation, so we can make it so that it fades in or does different things, or fly out, or whatever it is that we want to do. And that is that. We have saved a screenshot as an overlay. Okay, so now you can promote your videos or add interesting facts about your video, and it doesn't interrupt your video at all. So if you found this useful, please do hit the like button. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, and do check out the playlists below and in my playlist on the channel, because there's lots of Sharefactory videos, and I'm sure there'll be things of use in there for you. So thanks very much, and bye.